Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today we're going to be installing this 5x5 closure from Luvme Hair. I'm so excited to show you guys how I installed it because I got a new camera. So if I'm looking up and I'm not looking like into the camera, sorry guys, I'm trying to get used to this camera and the quality of it. So even if like it's like out of frame or like focusing, bear with me. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and install this closure wig. This is the box that it came in from Luvme Hair. Any hair that I get from Luvme Hair is honestly chef's kiss. Like, they know what to do when it comes to wigs. So once again, this is 5x5 closure. It is 20 inches, and I'm just gonna stop rambling on and I'm gonna get right into installing this wig. Honestly, you guys, we're just gonna get right into it. I'm just gonna start by putting some foundation on to my wig cap. Honestly, when it comes to installing my wigs these days, I have become really lazy, and I really don't feel like doing the ball cap method. So I'm just gonna be looking into my mirror right here and just apply this foundation onto my wig cap to make sure that everything blends in when I do put it on. Everybody needs like a good like Bodywave long wig. So it came in this cute little bag, of course, as their hair always does. I'm just gonna take it straight out of the bag. This is Bodywave. Now, it did not come like this. I know it looks kind of beat up, okay? I washed and conditioned it and just like tossed it to the side, but I promise it looks really good. This is what the hairline is looking like. It already came pre-plucked, and I went ahead and bleached the knots off camera. One thing I do love about Luvme Hair's wigs is that their wigs always come pre-plucked, so literally cuts down all my hard work of plucking. So I'm going to show you guys what the wig looks like on the inside. So it comes with a strap, and then it also comes with adjustable straps at the bottom, and of course combs on each side, and then one at the bottom for extra security. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. Good job. I know, you guys, it looks kind of crazy right now, but it's gonna come together, don't worry. Trust the process. I promise it's gonna come together. Okay, I'm gonna try something different today. I usually cut it beforehand, but today I'm gonna try something different, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue the front down first and then cut it off. Okay, so you guys, we are done flat ironing my hair. This hair literally flat irons so effortlessly, like chef's kiss. Like, I love this hair, to be honest, but I love all hair from Luvme hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off. Here we go. Now, like, ooh, look at that hair. I'm gonna add some more foundation just to make sure that it blends even better, because we don't want a white cast on our lace. And this lace blends so good. Honestly, I don't think I want to do any baby hairs, and I just want to keep it really nice and simple. I hope I don't know if you guys can tell, but I hope I didn't mess up my makeup like on my forehead. So yeah, we're just gonna keep it really simple and really basic, and no baby hairs today. But you guys, not gonna lie, really in love with this hair. I think this honestly has to be like one of the best lace closures that I've had thus far. Thank you, Luvme Hair, for sending me this wig. I absolutely love it. Like, it's literally what it says: 5x5 undetectable invisible lace. Like, you can't even tell. Like, this literally looks like my real hair. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe down below, and see you guys in my next video.